What's up guys, Mitchell here, and we're going to be doing something different today. So, crap, I just said my email. Oh well. So basically, I'm doing a request from a user. I'll have to remember what his username was, but he wanted to know how to make a Minecraft server. So I'm going to make a video on how to do both, bukkit and the regular Minecraft server. So you don't actually have to log in to download the server, but okay, let's see. Download Minecraft server 1.6.2.exe. Show in folder. Come on. Just copy that. Make a folder on the desktop. Default Minecraft server. I have a loud keyboard, as you can tell from hearing that. And one of the most important things you're going to have to do is port forward if you're going to be running this off of your own computer. And this can be difficult if you don't have AT&T. If you live in the US, if you don't have AT&T or Verizon, who provide the login to your router on the router itself, like they put it on a little sticker on the router. If you don't have that, then it's going to be kind of difficult, because then I mean, for me at least, the default username and password was just admin and then the password to the Wi-Fi router, so it wasn't a problem for me, but for other people it might be. So what you're going to have to do is just if you're going to use the port 25565, I'm not exactly sure how yours is going to look, but this is how mine looks. So you're going to want to go into into command prompt and type I think it's ipconfig on Windows. Yeah, okay, I get confused between Windows and Linux sometimes. But so since it's 106, since my local IP on my router is 192.168.1.106, that's what you're going to want to put here for Minecraft. So my local IP has changed. It used to be 123, and then it changed to 128, and now it's 106. So you put the external port 25565, internal port 25565. You put it on TCP because Minecraft doesn't use UDP. Not really many things use UDP anymore because it's not very secure. And then you put whatever your local IP is right here, and you click enabled if you have to do that, and then you click save settings. But this might be different for other routers, so I'd recommend looking up a better tutorial, because this is just a little mini tutorial in a tutorial. So that's just so people can connect to your server outside of your local LAN. Alright. So you just run that, and once you've run that, it'll load all the files and such. And by the way, I do recommend getting Notepad++. That is very, very helpful. I'm just gonna close all but active document. Okay. And so in here, you don't really need to change much other than the MOTD. Let's change the MOTD to a tutorial. Oop, I spelled tutorial wrong. Tutorial Minecraft server. Then level name world. Yep. Okay. And let's start this again. Oh yeah, I need to opt myself. There we go. So now I'm op on this server, and it'll have whatever world you want it to have. So if you wanted to play like the dropper or something like we've done, you just put that world file in here and set it in the server.properties. So yep, that's pretty much it for the standard Mojang Minecraft server. So now let's do the bukkit server. So I'm going to make a folder for it before. Bukkit server. I don't think I already, okay, I don't. close out of that. Oh crap, I keep forgetting that that's my homepage. So Bukkit gives you many more possibilities, because you can add plugins and all that. Although you can use Bukkit plugins with a standard Minecraft server using Minecraft Forge or Bukkit Forge, but it doesn't allow you to use every plugin. It's just some, but it allows you to use like major plugins like Essentials, World Guard, World Edit, things like that. But you can't use just like, you'd have to, if you were coding a small plugin, you'd probably have to code it for that instead of for something else, because it might not work. But so yeah. Let's head over to dl.bukkit.org. Now I actually use Spigot. That came out with a dev build. That's nice, or a beta build. So I generally use Spigot, which you can't really use unless you give it more than I'd say 8 gigs of RAM, because it uses more RAM, but it gives you a much better TPS for large servers, and I kind of have to use that because it helps a lot. But and if you don't know what TPS is, it's ticks per second, and Minecraft runs on 20 ticks per second, and when it starts to lag, it can slow down a lot, and it's not good. So, all right, let's see. Bukkit server, paste. And the only thing is, for Bukkit, you have to make a I'm just gonna get rid of the little version at the end of the name, but you have to make a start file. So let's do this. So start dot bat. Yes. Right now, edit with ++, and for this you need to have Java. So let's see, Java -xmx, whatever, 4G XMS 4G -jar craft bukkit.jar. So that's just telling the I'll just explain that. That's saying the maximum amount of RAM that it can use is 4 gigs. I'm not exactly sure what that flag means. I think it's like the starting RAM or something. And this just says that the jar file to start is craftbukkit.jar. And I'm sure there's a whole heck of a lot more flags for Java, but I don't know them. So let's see, start. It's just gonna create all the files and stuff. And if you guys want me to, I'll make a tutorial for bungee cord, if you know what that is. It's like a it's what my server uses. It's what all those hub servers use to have multiple servers, like multiple individual Minecraft servers linked together into one, where you don't actually have to, leave the server to connect to another one. You just type a command or go through like a what do you call it, portal or something. But so yeah, that's pretty helpful. The only problem with that, though, is you need to know what you're doing, because they won't provide support for your server on Bukkit Dev, because it for like each individual server, because it requires each individual server to be on offline mode. But I'll explain that in that tutorial if I make it. So let's just tutorial Bukkit. God, I cannot type today. Okay, let's see. So there's that. Server IP 192.168.1.106. I think that's what it was. Okay. Let's run start.bat. Yeah, that's my local IP. Okay. And you don't have to do that, but I just do that because it's like that's your local IP, so that's what it'll run on your LAN, local area network, if you don't know what that is. But it's like the group of computers that's connected to your Wi-Fi. So with that, you won't actually have to port forward to anyone that's on your LAN connect to that. But if you want anyone else to connect to it that's not on your Wi-Fi, you have to do what we already did, or what I already did, which was port forward. And then they just enter your IP, which you get from whatismyip.com. So I'm probably gonna blur that out. But yeah, that's about it. So, I'll just go ahead and connect to my server just because. What if I show up on LAN? Nope. Okay, let's see. Yep. That happens sometimes. You just have to... In fact, I'm not sure why that's happening. That's just a Minecraft glitch. Alright, yeah, so... Here we are. Now, if I do lag... Oh, that's an essentials command. I forgot about that. See version... That's cool. Glad they finally came out with the beta version. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see that bungee cord tutorial, please comment saying that you'd like to see it, and I'll make it. So, oh, skeleton spawner. No. Get out of here. Yeah, as I said, thank you guys for watching. If you liked this tutorial and you'd like to see more like it, please comment down below and I'll make some more tutorials, because I don't have a problem with that. They're easier to make than a video, and when I don't have time, when I don't have very much time, like I haven't the past week or so, which is why I haven't uploaded many videos, I can make a tutorial like this, because that's actually, oh, a name tag for a horsey. So that's not all that hard, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.